the swing.
That's 2 on the
I like it. Big swing. You gotta go though if it's close now.
Good job, Austin.
Good job.
Good. Hey, good work back there. Saving us runs. Good job.
Come on, Ava.
Cover.
Going.
Cover,
No.
nothing.
Good job.
Good hustle.
Good hustle, ladies.
Come on, just need a strike. Come on, Juice. Why not release point?
Hey, win this battle, Ava. Win this battle. You want it.
Oh, nice.
Way to go, Conley.
Still having fun?
Yeah. One, two, three, out. Yippee! Jason's loaded. Vander's nightmare. Let's go, Sloan. Let's go, Sloan.
Good.
It's right there, kids. It's right there.
Got this.
Hey Jackson, how about not my vehicle?
Come on, Ava. Juice.
All right, let's go, Sloan.
Dig deep, kid. Dig deep.
Let's go, Sloan.
There you go. Hey, one more, kid. You got it.
When it's close, you gotta swing. All right? Yeah.
Battle, kid. You want this.
You got this.
You alright? Ava, reset. You got it, kid. Come on.
You got this.
Come on, Ava. Come on,
Win the
Ava.
battle. Ava, reset, kid. Reset. You got it.
Riker, back up a couple steps. Right there. Still going home. Come on, Ava.
Come on, Ava, just play catch.
Be patient, Jason.
All right, here we go.
Nice.
Let it go, Cole! There you go.
Nice job, Maddie.
It's okay.
That's all right.
Good play, go now. Good job, go now.
Way to recover, kid. Ava, hey, find your release, kid, all right? Reset. You got it.
Alright, Ellie, get your pitch.
Come on, Ava, you got this.
A little sooner. A little sooner.
Hey, you're right there, kid.
Come on now.
Right there.
Anything close.
You know how much time we have. Kelly, you know how much time we have.
Ava, hey, now you're slow. Let's go. You got this, man. Reset.
Hayes, do your thing. Hayes, don't chase.
No, we're gonna. Yeah, let's go on. Yep. Bases loaded. We got a close. We're ready. They got no. Get another one.
Alright, girls, here we go, United.
Bulldog. Yep, you'll have to tag her good.
Good job.
Good job, Riker.
Play, Riker, play. Hey, now we can go one. We can go any base now. We got 12. Here we go.
Alright, girls, close the space here. Come on, you do it, Hector.
You ready, left?
Get there on the stopwatch, staring at the diamonds, make you bust a baby hopscotch. Over here on my spot, say she wanna party. I do it.
Go, Mason.
Is that?
Nothing, nothing.
Two. Here we go.
Good job. There you go, Wade, get out of it. Good job, Riker.
That's it. This is gonna be it for us. We gotta get two. Gotta get at least two.
Let's hear some energy. We gotta move forward.
Start off. Start off.
Down and ready.
What do you got,
And now batting, number 5, Brinley Toomey. And now batting, number 2, Riker Long.
1738.
There you go! Yeah!
And now batting, number 7, Riley Vaccaro.
Get silly, get silly, get silly, get silly, get silly, get silly.
One out, plays at one. Just like last time.
Hey, Ryder, Ryder. Come on, Hawk, He said she wants you home. He said she wants you home. Hey, Ryder, Dad wants you.
Hey, good slide, Tommy. Good slide.
Softball, not dodgeball.
You told her to run fast. She just was running. She didn't care.
One out, plays at one.
Come on, girls. Come on, Hazel. Oh, yes, she got wild. Lucky 7, let it fly. Lucky 7.
Yeah, go, Riley, go! Run! Yeah!
Good job, Riley.
And now batting, number 9, Peyton Best.
Like Manny, like Stunner Man, shit is big time now.
Get there!
Hey, come on, do a job. Let's go.
Peyton, send her home! Let's go, Peyton, get her home! Run to the ball, get her home!
Come on, leave that ball dry, kid.
Good swing, you got this.
Nice swing, nice swing, nice
It only takes one. You're right now.
Keep your head in there, 9. Keep your head in there. You got this. Come on, 9. Keep your head in there, Peyton.
Come on, Peyton.
Watch that ball hit your back. Come on, Peyton, you got this. Okay, Peyton.
And now batting, number 22, Ava Carley.
Don't pull your head, kid, right? Keep it in. Base hit, kid, base hit.
Come on, Ava, you got this.
There we go, hold it, hold it.
Ava, you'll see it. You're late. Leave that ball and put it over your head. Let's go.
Yeah!
Hey, let's go, Ava. Come on, kid. We need this. Hey, read that ball. Keep your head.
You got this, lady.
You just need a base hit, all right? Base hit. Let's go.
All right.
It's all right. It's all right.
Hold them, ladies.
It's all right. Hey, good ball, girls. Good ball, good.
What?
Come on, you guys got to hold them.
BC, you got this, girls.
Hey, need a lot of strikes here. Come on, Macy.
You got this, Macy.
Good. There you go. Good pitch. Good try, Austin. Way to get it. Strike. Hey, now you're
Tag her! Tag her!
There you go.
Good.
Let's get it right here, ladies! Hold on!
Good job back there.
Good job, Boston.
Go across the one. Right? We go across the one. We got 2 outs.
I'm going home.
One.
I'm going back to Battle Creek.
Good.
You make one.
Strikes here. Come on, ones. One across the one.
Right there, Jed, right there. There you go.
Cover.
Structured!
On who?
She's standing in front of the plate.
She's
She's
running up to the
right.
plate.
She did not have the ball.
She's on the way to cover the plate.
Right.
To end the game? That's enough, girls. Let's go. She's right here. She's got the ball to go.
It's not obstruction.
She did it. That's
She has to block
That's
the
awful.
plate. That's obstruction.
That's how
not
you're
have
going to
the
end the game.
ball.
That's awful. Wake them up.
Hey, BC, keep your head up, girls. It's all right.
All the obstruction on the play at the plate. Good game. On the play at the plate. Good game. Good game. Good game. It's on the play at the plate. Let's go, Forrest.